from Bitel Ed ICT 3A, and I'm here to explain what is my infographic is all about. So it's all about types of sewing machines. So first of all, my learning objectives is to identify the different types of sewing machine. So first, what is sewing machine? So sewing machine is a machine used to sew fabric and materials together with thread. Sewing machines were invented during the first industrial revolution to decrease the amount of manual sewing work performed in clothing companies. Since the invention of the first sewing machine, generally considered to have been the work of Englishman Thomas Saint in the 1790s, the sewing machine has greatly improved the efficiency and productivity of the clothing industry. So, because of sewing machine, we can wear what we want to wear right now. So, here are the types of sewing machine. So, I zoom it. So, start with lock stitch sewing machine. This is usually used in homes and sometimes in school. This is called domestic sewing machine. It is run on foot and may also be converted to an electrical power machine. So, second is, this is the lock stitch sewing machine picture. Second is high-speed lock stitch sewing machine. This is sometimes called a straight stitching machine or an industrial sewing machine. It has an automatic lubrication and it is used by tailors and dressmakers. So what are the difference of the two? So lock stitch sewing machine, sometimes called as domestic sewing machine, are manufactured for sewing medium weight fabrics at house level, so they manufactured from lightweight components, while industrial sewing machine, meaning high-speed lock stitch sewing machine, are manufactured for any fixed purpose, or you can say perform heavier duties, so they manufactured from heavyweight components, mostly used for shoemaking, sewing on leathers, and at an industrial level. So next is over edging machine. So over edging machine, other companies call it small machine. It finishes the raw edges of the pattern for construction, used to form a multi-thread over edging seam. While embroidery machine is used to make fancy stitches and different embroidery stitches on fabrics for the Barong Tagalog pillowcase, linen, and other novelty items. So, machine embroidery is an embroidery process whereby a sewing machine or embroidery machine is used to create patterns on textile. So, the difference of the two is that an over edging machine, from the word edging, so it finishes the raw edges of the pattern for construction. While bartacking machine is a type of reinforcement stitching that is done using a bartack machine. This technique is used by the fabric and textile industries to fortify stress points in clothing, sporting equipment, uniform, and a host of other products. So these are types of sewing machine in my infographics, and that's all. A well-selected sewing machine is essential for achieving good results. It should be used correctly by the job requirements. So that's all. Thank you.